Welcome to the High School LEAP 2025 Math Assessment Screencast. Today, participants will understand what to expect from the 2017-2018 LEAP 2025 Summative Assessments for High School Mathematics, how the changes inform instruction, and what resources are available now and in the future to help prepare for the new test. The LEAP 2025 High School Assessments Frequently Asked Questions have been updated on the LDOE website to reflect testing requirements, timelines for availability of EOC and LEAP 2025 test results, resources, non-summative assessments, accountability policy related to high school assessments, and policy requiring the use of EOC LEAP 2025 test scores as a part of the final grades. Why LEAP 2025? LEAP 2025 creates a cohesive assessment system, grades 3 through high school, with a similar approach and design across grades 3 through 10. The content captures the rigor and depth of the Louisiana student standards and allows measurement of the full range of student performance, including higher and lower performing students. It has reporting that provides consistent measurement of achievement and growth and progress from grades 3 through high school. Assessment comparison. Let's look at some differences in our previous assessment system versus our new LEAP 2025 assessment system. First, let's look at comparability. With the old end-of-course assessment for Algebra 1 and Geometry, our comparability was limited to students within Louisiana. With the new LEAP 2025, our assessment expands to be able to compare our students with students in other states. Consistency. We had a separate end-of-course system for high school than for grades 3 through 8, which had LEAP. There were different achievement levels. The high school end-of-course assessment was less rigorous in its design, and the reporting was by discrete domains. In our new LEAP 2025, we have one seamless system from grades 3 all the way through high school with the same achievement levels, similar design to the grades 3 through 8th, and the reporting also supports college and career readiness claims. Rigor. Our old end-of-course assessment had 46 multiple choice questions and one constructor response task with limited connection to mathematical practices. Our new LEAP 2025 has 32 tasks with multi-select, fill-in-the-blank, technology-enhanced items. There are 7 constructor response tasks designed to assess reasoning and modeling mathematical practices with specific content. College and career readiness claims. Our old end-of-course assessment had none. But in our new LEAP 2025, it's built into the design with evidence statements and reporting categories. Our new LEAP 2025 presents a change in focus. The new LEAP 2025 assessment will be as rigorous and have similar variety of item typed tasks as our 3 through 8th testing assessment system. The focus will be on key skills of the Louisiana student standards for mathematics and incorporate all the expectations of the rigor in those standards. In addition to procedural skill and fluency, students will have to demonstrate their conceptual understanding as well as application of mathematics. They will also include performance tasks that ask students to write arguments and justifications, critique reasoning, and be precise in their mathematical statements, as well as applying and interpreting mathematical modeling in a real-world context. What are some additional differences in our new assessment? Our old assessment, the end of course assessment, included multiple choice and constructive response. In addition to multiple choice and constructive response, our new LEAP 2025 assessment will also include multi-select, fill in the blanks, as well as technology enhanced items. The test design. Our old test had 3 sessions. Our new test as well has 3 sessions, where the first session is divided into 2 parts, where the first part is no calculator and the second part is with calculator. The differences in materials provided. Our old assessment system provided a scientific calculator, whereas our new LEAP 2025 assessment will have calculators that have graphing capabilities. In our old EOC, geometry had a reference sheet, but with our new assessment system, algebra and geometry both will have a mathematical reference sheet available. For both assessment systems, there was available online tools training. For our old EOC assessment system, sample item documents were available. With our new LEAP 2025, a full practice test for Algebra 1 and Geometry are available on the same platform as the end-of-year summative assessment. Timing. Our old test was untimed, whereas our new LEAP 2025 assessment will be timed. Of note, schools are required to provide scratch paper, lined or graphed. The calculator is available online, but schools must provide or may provide a calculator as well. The reference sheet is available online, but schools can provide a hard copy for students. For geometry, the protractor, tracing paper, reflection tools, straight edge, and compass are all allowable tools. What's new? What's different? The new LEAP 2025 assessment system has a logical connection of the content within and across grade levels, which creates a coherence where content in one grade level is supported by content in a previous grade level. There will be a variety of task types in this new online assessment system. Again, reference sheets will be provided for Algebra 1 and Geometry. We now have 4 reporting categories: major content, additional and supporting content, expressing mathematical reasoning, and modeling and application as well. Our achievement levels have changed from our 4 levels to now 5 levels, which are advanced, mastery, basic, approaching basic, and unsatisfactory. The test is also timed. The LEAP 2025 mathematics assessment for Algebra 1 and Geometry contained a total of 38 to 39 tasks for 68 points. The table here shows the breakdown of task types and point values. There are 6 field test tasks that will be embedded but will not count in the score for students. We also see the breakdown of the session times for each of the sessions. Task types. As on the previous chart, you saw that there were 3 different types of tasks: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3. Type 1 tasks are machine scorable tasks. They may include multiple choice, multi-select, and then also technology enhanced items that may include drag and drop, drop down menus, fill in the blank, hotspot tables. Type 2 and Type 3 are your constructive response type tasks. Type 2 will be math, reasoning type of constructive response problems. Type 3 will be including modeling and application. For the constructive response, students will have access to an equation builder to input special characters for formulas and equations. The constructive response may also be multi-part with variety of item types, and students will be graded on a rubric as well. The online testing platform includes the following tools, which allow a student to select answer choices, mark items, eliminate answer options, use a calculator for certain items, take notes, enlarge an item, guide the reading of a source or an item line by line, measure figures, and use an equation builder for entering special characters. A help tool is also featured to assist students as they use the online system. Because this testing platform provides students with an equation builder tool with open response boxes, a typing help sheet is no longer necessary and will not be provided to students. Teachers and students should practice using the equation builder tool and access the guide to the EOC equation builder to prepare for this new platform feature. Resources are available to provide students opportunities to practice answering with different item types. They include the LDOE practice test, online tools, training, ALEX, Eagle, Edulastic, and McGraw-Hill e-assessments. Students taking the Geometry and Algebra 1 assessment will have access to a reference sheet via the online testing platform and may also be provided an unmarked, clean copy from the test administrator. Where should our focus be? We should continue to focus on incorporating as many opportunities as possible to connect content to various modeling types and modeling situations. We should apply strategies across domains and build on strategies learned in previous grade levels. We should apply mathematics concepts to real-world contexts. We should increase our focus on connecting modeling tools to written explanations, use clear and precise mathematical vocabulary, push the line moving from basic to mastery, use LDOE, PARC, McGraw-Hill, Smarter Balanced, and Edulastic sample items and practice tests to guide instruction and assessment development. Take advantage of curriculum guides, especially information that provides and promotes discourse, instructional tasks, and Type 2 and Type 3 tasks that give students the opportunity to model and critique. We should shift focus away from relying on quick fix, shortcut algorithms, going directly to standard algorithms instead of building student conceptual understanding of standard algorithms, and also accepting only calculations as an explanation. The LDOE provides many resources as relates to assessment guidance and practice tests. Here are some assessment resources that are available: the LEAP online tools training, the assessment guides, as well as online and paper-based practice tests. The teacher access link for high school LEAP 2025 assessment is now available. Teachers can view the practice test by accessing the link and entering their username and password. Here are some additional practice resources that are available that we'll provide links for. Next steps: share the assessment changes with teachers on your campus. Encourage teachers to use the practice to give students exposure to the item types that mirror the LEAP 2025 assessment. Review those changes to make sure you're comfortable with recommending resources to teachers. Encourage teachers to use all the resources to plan high quality instruction and contact us if you have questions or need additional support.